saw you, you know.
Yeah, same here, same here. But I
Hmm.
think its reason is that you stop your practice.
Yes, 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 because my phone has broken. My
Oh, yes, yes,
yes.
yes. Yeah, suddenly, I think 5 and 6 days ago, I watched your video. You uploaded
Mm-hmm.
one session. So I realized that some you face some problem, and due to this, you
Mm-hmm.
can't uploading any videos. So, okay, tell me, how's your day gone and what's your journey? Tell me something about.
So, Geeta, my journey is going very good, and now I am doing my English practice again. Start, and I like if I am doing every day. I am doing practice now, so I feel lucky. Said so, I feel like that. Yes, today I am doing something for myself.
Right,
So
right.
this, yes.
Yes. I also practice every day. I have a lot of WhatsApp group and Skype group, so I practice a lot. And yeah, now this time I'm fully confident. Yes.
So, how is your YouTube journey is going?
Yeah, my YouTube journey also very good. Nice.
Wow.
Yes.
So, have you completed your subscriber? 1,000
So,
subscribers.
no, 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 not completed because just only 6 months completed na my journey. So not 2 months,
Hmm.
just only 330.
Okay.
Yeah, but no problem because I learned something different, so I'm
Mm-hmm.
satisfied. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And you are my first person. I
Mm-hmm.
when I upload my video, so
Hmm.
our video is uploaded. So this is my first video with you.
This is that was
Yeah.
your first video. That
Yeah.
was.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
We are meeting second time. Mm-hmm.
No, second not. This is our third meeting. Yeah.
The third time. Yes.
Second meeting, you told that don't upload our session because you are not fine. That time you
Mm-hmm.
feel something health issue.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not uploading. Just only we connect each other. Just only we talk. But I'm not uploaded. But I saw
Okay.
your video
Hmm.
in your channel. So our views is 1K in your channel.
Now the video has 2.9K.
I don't know that why. How can it's possible? So I'm very surprised. And after I send your link, my sister.
Hmm.
Same video we are uploaded, but second person's views are too much. And and in my channel, if you watch now, so that not grow. Just only 150 and 119.
190. So it is okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
when we are doing very hard work for our video and we are not getting good views, so sometimes we feel bad.
yeah. But I am satisfied that time because that is
Hmm.
my first video, na. So people don't know that time I have
Hmm.
no any subscriber. So how can it's
Hmm.
possible? If you have a lot of subscribers, so they watch every time our video. Otherwise, this
Hmm.
is not possible.
Right, right, right.
Yeah. Okay, so you attend another session today.
No, no, no. This is my first session because I don't know what is happening in my side. Light again and again is going. So,
Okay, but this is my second session. First, I attend Aarti Chaube ma'am.
hello.
Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Now, how are you practicing? How is your practice is going?
Yeah, my practice also nice. Yeah, I practice a
Hmm.
lot every day. Yeah.
Hmm.
I understand that how can I maintain all things and not only co-learner, I connect advanced tutor also, not a paid of cost,
Hmm.
just only free of cost.
So, in which app are you connected?
Zoom application because every tutor provide just only Zoom application, but I can't record it that session because I have not too much idea. Yeah, my recording is good, but audio is not correct.
But June app is that you have to send the link to other person that you can connect with, right?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, right.
So, mhm.
So yeah,
So
tutor provide a link very easily. Yeah, I'm not.
okay,
Yeah, I'm not send my link. Just only if a tutor give me just only link and I click there. But you know, one technical problem, just only one, because yesterday connect Sandhya ma'am. She also told me that yeah, I also face when I connect a Zoom application. So that time
hmm,
I also recorded, but my voice means audio call is not. I don't know that why.
okay.
Yeah. Yes, I editing myself, but not too much idea that how can I maintain my this problem.
Okay, no problem. Day by day, you can learn about that setting,
Right, right.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is summer
So
vacation. So you go to your mother home or not?
not now, and because my sister-in-law, she went their mother house. When she will
Oh,
return, then I will go.
oh, yeah. Means changing system.
Yes,
Yeah.
in my family, they are saying like this: if you will go, so who will make food for us? One by one, you can go.
You should just point to yourself now, because you know I'm a single daughter-in-law, so I face a lot of problem and I can't go anywhere, because if I go,
Hmm,
so my
hmm,
mother-in-law facing a lot of problems. She can't maintain all things. Yeah. Then after I go to in festival, some festival, for example, Tija, and yeah, I come back my mother-in-law's means mother house. Just only
hmm.
2 days I live, and then after I come back.
Wow. That feeling is totally different that when we are going to our mother house, right?
Yeah, yeah. And you know, which is I feel my
Mm-hmm.
son, my elder son also all time tell that, Mama, if you go to Nani's house, so that time you feel very happy, na, very, very relaxed. I saw your
Mm,
face. Because
mm,
our routine also change, na, because you know, when I go to
mm,
there, they have no, we have no any pressure, we have no any responsibility. Just only we are
mm,
doing sleeping and eating, and mother and sister all time tell that, Didi, can I do something? Can I help you? And
mm.
what you like eating? And can I go to outside? So this moment is no any
You
but.
can same time if your children gets your happiness in your face, the same time they can say sadness on your husband face.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And he is not understand na, our feelings. If we are living
Hmm,
our lost home, means our home, so that time
hmm,
they are very happy. And if we are go to our
hmm.
mother also, they are very sad. I don't know that why they can't
No,
maintain.
now we become a mother, so sometimes it is happening. We are not missing us too much. We are not missing that. They are missing our children too much.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, 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 right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
Yes.
I have a one baby, so he is 1.5. So sometimes he doesn't miss me. So he's always he said to me, "Where is Gunnu? Where is Gunnu? Call him. I miss him."
Yeah, 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 yeah. Because it's special connection na, with our children, special connection. Yeah.
Hmm.
So due
No,
to this,
the a special connection when they are kids.
yes,
Now they
yes,
are kids. Now they are understanding. So so this is happening. And now I am saying, I said to my husband, okay, when my mother sister-in-law comes, she will come. Then I will go to my mother home. So his reaction is like this. So how much days you will take? So I said to him, 15 to 20 days I will take. What will you do there? There is nothing. My Gunnu will say he will
yeah,
miss he will miss his dad. I said to him, no, he will not miss you. You every day you can call video call. So now his reaction is like, no, you will not go. I I
yeah.
sometimes I feel headache here. What is happening? If I cannot go my mother house, so there is no
No,
any time.
and you know, we make a mother na. now this time. But
Hmm.
then after, we are all time think that when we go to our mother house, we are
Hmm.
means I don't know that what why we are feeling every time. Now this
Hmm.
time I have a lot of responsibility. I have two kids, and they study
Right.
also. Then after when I go to my mother home, so that time I feel that okay, yes, this is good. This is fantastic moment. Now this time in front of me,
Hmm.
my elder son is sit here. Listen my words that Mama, what are you telling?
A woman can understand a woman emotion, right?
Yeah,
So that
right.
emotion is totally different.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now this time your son is what are you doing? What he doing?
He is sleeping, so again and again I am watching if
Yeah,
he
yeah,
will get up, so I have to take care.
yeah. Yes. This is
So
very difficult responsibility, you know. That
right now I have so much headache because now the summer is coming, so sometime if cooler is going off, so I have to doing like हवा करते हैं ना ऐसे
yeah, yes. Hand fan, na? Yeah, this is very difficult
हैंड
because
पेन
and summer vacation is start and electricity gone. Oh,
एवरी डे
what time? Yeah,
and now
yes,
if suppose that if my son got up he's early, if he doesn't complete his sleepiness, so he will
yeah,
irritate it
yeah,
all day,
definitely.
he will irritate it.
This is common problem because not only child.
Hmm.
If we are not sleeping properly, so we also face a lot of problem, headache and not feeling good.
Hmm.
Every time we are up, we feel upset. So yeah, definitely this
Hmm.
is things. Because our routine is a proper way. So
Yes.
yeah, so that time we are everything is right. If our routine is not good, so we face a lot of problem.
Hmm.
Our wake up early in morning so good, otherwise if we are sleeping long time and wake very late, so how can we maintain? This is not our hand.
Right.
Yes,
So sometime I thought that maybe you have completed your all duty completely, right? You have your both of your child complete
yeah,
their work by own.
yeah, because day by day our children younger, so
Hmm.
then after our work is less because
Hmm.
when we are small, very small, so every time we are doing all work, for example bath,
Hmm.
eating all time running all time that you eat some food our hand and then after running fast, right?
Right.
Yeah, but now this time I am free because yeah, both are doing all work in his hand, so yeah, no, I have
Hmm.
no any problem, just only I make breakfast
Hmm.
just complete and lunch and dinner. This is my work. Otherwise, no any work. Yeah, but I teach my children. I guide my
Hmm.
children all time. Yeah, because they don't know that how can we study more and more. How can we maintain our study? How can complete? Because
Hmm.
all time they are tell that Mama, today I learn one chapter. So I told that okay, you learn one chapter, but what you learn? This is
Hmm.
important. This is not important how much time you learn. If you learn
Hmm.
5 hours, this is not important. What you achieve, this is important. So every time I guide my children, both children. Yes.
Right.
Yes. So Nitu, can you stop your recording?
Okay. Okay.
Because 15 minutes is completed.